Hold it, right there. Hey, welcome back to a new video. Hope you're all doing well. So we all love these Animoji and Memoji stickers that are on our Apple devices, which are becoming more integrated into our everyday lives. Today we will be discussing the new poses, like this one. So let's get into the video. Let's start with editing the name and photo. So you're going to go to iMessage, click on the three dots and click edit name and photo. And here you can see the three new poses, which I think are quite nice. That's the second one and that's the third one. I think personally I won't be using the third one as much as the first two, but I quite like the second one. I think that one is my favourite. Just to let you know, these aren't available yet on the Animoji stickers or profile picture, but it might come soon. But I personally quite like them just on the Memojis, and I think that's awesome. So let's move on now to the iMessage stickers. There are 6 new poses, including this stop one, and there is this chef kiss one, which personally is my favourite. There's this one, which sort of like a pout sort of thing. Yawning one, that's awesome. That'll be cool to use. And a dizzy head one, that's a cool one as well. I like that. Personally, I think these Memoji stickers are awesome and they have more character than emojis. Let me know down in the comments what your favourite new pose is and whether you're excited for the new iOS 16 update, which will be out soon. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. Peace.